Created using Powtoon.
Hello guys, it's been wonderful 24 hours of Google I/O Hackathon. I'm Shana Vikramarachchi, the team lead of Team Loafers from Open University. The members are very busy doing the exams, but we managed to do something, a good app for the hackathon. Still, I have like 1.5 hours to go. So let me explain our app. It's called the Polyglot. It's a language training app which a person who knows Sinhala will be able to learn English and Tamil, and a person knows Tamil which can Sinhala and English and like that. So this scenario is a really practical scenario where which came to our mind when our university students have Tamil language examination which they never liked. So, thought for solution, we went to Google Play, we went to so many other app stores. We didn't find at least one app which can cater this issue. So we thought of making this, but we didn't have a chance. App Polyglot. If you look at the Polyglot, it mainly contains two parts, which is travel mode and the basic learner mode. If you look at the basic learner mode, uh, if you are a person who's living in Sri Lanka, doesn't matter. If you are a foreigner, doesn't matter. Learn three languages. Let's say you know English, so you want to learn Tamil and Sinhala, basic Tamil and Sinhala. This app will help you to learn Tamil and Sinhala through English language, and it will give automatic speech support for your app. And let's look at so it has three basic modes like beginner, moderator, and veteran. So you can select each one of them. It has questions, you can do it. And if you look at the second part, the traveler mode, let's say if you are a foreigner who's coming to Sri Lanka and no idea about Sri Lanka culture, Sri Lanka, so you can straight away go to the app. You can select where the places you want to visit. So let's say you want to visit Jaffna. The majority of people from Jaffna are Tamil, so you should have some kind of knowledge on Tamil. But no need to have knowledge. This app will straight away help you to communicate when you are traveling through the travel mode. Within the 24 hours, we were able to make much more on the educational mode, but we are still struggling to go on the traveler mode. So we are conceptually we thought of collaborating the Google Maps API to the traveler mode to get the locations where the person want to go, and the Dialog IdeaMart API, Subscribe API, so to get to collect some money from the users, especially from the travelers, foreigners who come to Sri Lanka. The other modes, the basic learner mode will be totally free. But with the time, it was really hard for us to collaborate with all those things, but we have made most of it. So that's it. That's our part. So it's nice coding with you guys. Happy hackathon.